Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java in Notepad step by step. Open Notepad, type a class called Hello World, save as Hello World. Java, then compile with Javac Hello World. Java and run with Java Hello World. I will walk you through file naming, case sensitivity, and common compiler errors, so you can quickly test changes and build confidence using plain tools without an IDE. Create a simple program with variables, loops, and a method to practice core concepts. Type code in Notepad, save often, and compile after small changes to isolate issues. I will explain how to structure classes, use main methods, and print output for debugging. This hands-on rhythm helps you internalize syntax and logic while keeping the environment minimal and distraction-free for steady progress. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, a playful nod to keeping a neat desk while coding. It helps free up time for practice and focus. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When you see an error, pause and read the full message before changing code. Add print statements to trace execution and verify assumptions about variables and loops. Test one idea at a time so you can identify the exact change that fixed the problem. I will share simple examples of common errors and show how to resolve them quickly so learning stays fun and productive without complex tools.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.